16 attack points against the Philippine Army in the first set. Pero yung nga ginawa nila, nanalo pa tuloy FEU.
You know, partner, mapapasmile talaga si Coach Ness dito from ear to ear because mas marami na silang attacks and they limited the output of the Philippine Army to just 9. Yun yung grabe dun eh, because it meant that yung defense nila was really present. Pero ang Philippine Army had 4 block points, which is yun ang kailangan bantayan ngayon ng FEU.
Well, to think na wala pa si Jacqueline Alarca sa kanilang lineup, and the first point belongs to Michelle Carolino as things get underway here in the second set.
Well, you know, partner, the very young birthday girl, si Palma, having 6 points already. Sang Muang with 7 na pala, quietly, having 7 points. On the other side, Yonko and Bunag with 3, along with Salak.
Ivy sent back that time. Here's Palma, and again, no coverage for the Philippine Army. Dalia Cruz has already been inserted into the lineup for the Philippine Army.
Partner, alam mo ba itong si Palma 6 of 6?
I
So
wouldn't be
far.
surprised.
100%.
But you know what I'm surprised with? We have not seen Irish Patrona in this game. Alam ko late siya dumating dito, so I don't know if Coach Ness is giving her a penalty for arriving late as Michelle Carolino goes long. Pero they do need some offense. Pero they were able to survive nung first set na wala naman siya.
Yes, I was going to say that. Yung maganda naman nilaro ng mga players.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Palma on the serve. Dalia Cruz. Michelle Carolino, wow!
Has been sharp so far in
Hanggang
the
ngayon,
second
tumatalbog
set.
pa rin yung bola. So Carolino scored the first 2 points for the Philippine Army. Joanne Bunag. Giselle C. Combo now for Ivy. Salak for Michelle. Gillego. C. Ivy. Blocked. Oh, net violation. Michelle Carolino. So yung mga errors na maliliit na ganyan para dito sa Philippine Army.
Kanina, in the first set, marami silang ganyan. That's why they were able to help FEU take that set also.
Pa-pull away na yung Army at one point. They were already up by 3. Yonko turned back there by Eulalio. Salak for Carolino. And it's been all Michelle Carolino here for the Philippine Army. Hindi niya kaya mag-isa yan, definitely.
Great angle there. Michelle Carolino. Very sharp cross-court kill.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Here's the set now for Tabaquero. Salak, quick set. Yonko, great dig there from Sang Muang. Here's Ivy into the net.
Wanting to go off speed. Kaya lang, ang lalaki na rin naman ng players from FEU in front of her.
And to think na si Ivy talaga tinitingala dati nitong mga to nung high school pa sila.
Oh yes, si Ivy really played so well during her college days.
Michelle Carolino. Giselle C, quick set to Eulalio. That one just went wide.
Well, it was a low set, but Eulalia still went for it.
At dalawa na po ang abante rito ng Philippine Army. Michelle. Gillego. C. Tabaquero changing directions. C. Quick set Eulalio. And again, the quick set continues to be the weapon of choice for FEU.
And they have managed to win the first set because of quick sets and middle hits.
Ito na ngayon, si Ivy. Sharp serve by Ivy.
Right.
Dalia Cruz gets it across. Gillego. C. Combo now for Tabaquero. Salak gets to it. Patricia Shatan Torres in for the first time as the libero as Dakis this time hits into the net. Yan, Rachel Andakis, dumadami na naman yung clip sa ulo. May
may indication ba yan?
Kilala ko kasi kung sino yung dealer niyan, kaya lang di ko alam kung nanonood ngayon. Great ace from Ivy.
Ivy Remulla, 3 attack points so far.
Oh, kilala mo rin yun, yung dealer na yun. Tawag namin ni Norindo the franchise. Yung top player ng Adamson, si Sheila Pineda. Sometimes we see her watching here.
Well, I just saw her dun sa beach volleyball game.
Of course. So, but Dakis is able to score right there. Let's take a look at this play once again. That was off the block. Basang-basa ng ani Eulalio. Pero, again, very crafty itong si Rachel Ann Dakis. Here's Dalia Cruz. Set up now for Tabaquero. Final. Oy! Kept alive by Salak sa paa. And Torres keeps it alive. Salak one more time for Dakis. Eulalio. C. Tabaquero off speed. Dakis is there. Salak quick set. Yari Yonko.
And, you know, when you look at it, it's so, that last play, the very tall Tina Salak giving it to a tall Yonko. Ang ganda tignan niya. Sort of parang
Tingnan mo naman yung front
pang-international,
line nila.
diba? Pang-international play.
Salak is about 5'10". Yonko's about 5'11". Dakis is about 5'9". So what a lineup there. Oh, but Eulalio again off the quick.
Sabi ni Eulalio, ni Winnie, it don't matter.
Maganda yung pagkasabi mo. Pero babalik na ulit si Palma sa harapan.
Okay.
So more problems now. As Palma, as you mentioned, is 100% on her attacks today, 6 of 6.
Huwag natin usugin.
Salak could not do anything. Look at Giselle C.
Giselle C taking that hit. Ang ganda naman nun.
I want to see that when we come back. FEU up by 1.